Hi, we're going to be talking about a common chord progression today. The chord progression is a pattern of chords that are repeated over and over and over again. The most common chord progression that I see in music involves 4 chords. Well, actually it involves 3 chords, the most common one, but the chord progression we're going to be looking at is probably the most second common chord progression. It's really common, and it's going to involve the chords what we call a 1, 6, 4, and 5. Now let me explain what 1, 6, 4, and 5 is. We're going to be in the key of C. So since I'm in the key of C, C will be my 1 chord. And if I count up the major scale, C, D, E, F, G, A is the 6th note in the C major scale, so that will also make it the 6th chord. So we have C, and then A minor is my 6th chord. And if I count up from C to the 4 chords, C, D, E, F, F is my 4 chord, and then the 5 chord is going to be G. C, D, E, F, G. In the major scale, your 1, 4, and 5 chords are always major. Your 6th chord is minor. So what we're going to do is we're going to first learn these chords. So we're in the key of C. If you don't already know these chords, then this is where we'll learn them. So I'm going to take the C chord, and my 3rd finger is on the 5th string, 3rd fret. My 2nd finger is on the 2nd fret, 4th string. The 3rd string's open, and then the 2nd string, my 1st finger's on the 1st fret, and then my 1st string is open. I strum from the 5th string down. That's C major. Now to go to the A minor chord, or 6th chord, I'm just simply going to move my 3rd finger from that 5th string to the 3rd string, 2nd fret. So I just make one movement with my 3rd finger from the 5th string to the 3rd string. And so I'm going to strum also from the 5th string down, and this is my A minor chord. Next chord is my 4 chord, which is F. I'm going to bar this chord, and if you don't know your chords already and you're kind of just learning them right now, bar chord is pretty tricky. But what a bar chord is where you hold down multiple strings with one finger. So in this case, I'm going to hold down the 1st fret with my 1st finger, then my 3rd finger will come to the 5th string, 3rd fret, and then my pinky will come to the 4th string, 3rd fret, and then my 2nd finger will play the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and this is my F chord, my 4 chord. Now the G chord, I'm going to place my 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 6th string, my 1st finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then my 3rd finger all the way down on the 1st string, 3rd fret. And this is my G chord. So my chord progression is C, which is a 1 chord, A minor, which is my 6th chord, F, which is my 4 chord, and then G, which is my 5 chord. And I'm going to strum these chords with a specific strumming pattern. It's going to go like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and 4, and 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 1. So I'm in the key of C. I'm playing a 1, 6, 4, 5 chord progression with the strumming pattern being down, down, up, down, up. Real quick, I just want to review to make sure we got this, is what 1, 6, 4, 5 means. If I'm in the key of C, C is 1. Because I'm in the key of C, so that's our starting place. And if I count up the alphabet from C, C, D, E, F, G, A is 6. So 1, 6, and then the next chord's 4. So if I count up C, D, E, F, that's my 4th, and then G is my 5th. That's where we get the numbers 1, 6, 4, 5, and we are in the key of C.